What's going on? Welcome to Shooting a Shave. Tonight's brush is going to be my Omega barberpole brush here, synthetic brush. I believe 20mm knot on there. Tonight's razor is going to be the Dovo Classic here. And tonight's soap is going to be A&E Summer Fig. I got the soap bloomed, brush soaked. Go ahead and start a lather here. I just absolutely love the scent of this stuff. Wonderful scent. Why wait till summertime to use it? Excellent soap. And I'm gonna need a lot of water. This soap is extremely thirsty. And some more water. It's always good to go in these soaps with a really damp brush. Put a little more water in there. I love the smell of this stuff. Scent strength on a 1 to 10 scale, I'd have to put it at 7.5. Very strong scent. Got enough in there. Just get it on the face here. I don't really know how to describe the smell. Very sweet. If you haven't smelled fig before, I don't know how I would describe it, but just really nice, sweet, fruity scent. Man, very thirsty soap. Get some more water in there. And some more water. I'm dipping my entire brush into my bowl here, just like this. I mean, this stuff is not afraid of water. Do not be afraid to add a lot of it. Flinging soap everywhere here. I don't know if you just saw that big glob. That's just about dialed in. That looks good. Got the bottom of the neck off here so I can get a good grip. Hope you guys are all well. Hope the shaves are going good. It is Thursday night here. We're almost there, almost to the weekend. Thank God. All right, we're gonna go first pass here. Good residual slickness on the soap, or good slickness on the soap, I should say, not residual slickness. All right. Do a feel about here real quick. Oh yeah, man. Good first pass. And then get lathered up here for the second pass. I absolutely love this stuff. Great scent on this soap. I love thirsty soaps, ones that you can add a lot of water in. All right. All right, second pass against the grain here. Very nice. All right, second pass done. Let's do a feel about. Only a few spots to pick up here. Get some of the water off the face. So anybody ready for Christmas yet? Get all your Christmas shopping done? I'm just about done. Got the wife done, got the kids done. Still have to take the kids out to get the present for mom. And then we're all done. All right. See if we can get this all. Oh man, very nice. Good edge on this razor. All right, now for the tricky part. Feel about. Finito. Excellent shave. Excellent, excellent, excellent shave tonight. All right. I'm gonna rinse up, clean up the sink, and I'll see you guys for post-shave. So for post-shave tonight, I'm gonna go with the Thayer's Lavender Scented Witch-hazel here. Nice healthy dose. And for aftershave, I'm gonna go with a matching scent. If you guys like real strong aftershaves, this is a really nice one. It'll last for a couple of hours. I can still smell it after 5 hours. Oh yeah, man, excellent scent. All right, quick recap of what I used tonight. Went with my razor tonight was the Dovo Classic here. Went with the A&E Summer Fig. Brush was the Omega barberpole here. Post shave, I went with Thayer's Lavender Witch-hazel. A&E Summer Fig for the splash. That's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys all have a great week. I'll see you again soon for another shave. Take care.